I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay
For the millionth fucking time, existing as a fat person is not promoting obesity. Loving your body and being confident about your body is also not promoting obesity. So fuck off, bitch.
What I eat in a day as a fat person who's not on a diet. Protein bar. Had coffee with my besties and came home to new bedding. Watermelon balls. Everything bagel with chive cream cheese, potatoes, and tomato with hummus. Peach green bubble tea. Toffee popcorn. Ray dyed my hair. Chicken dipper leftover from my kid's lunch. Apple and nut butter. Bao buns from a new vegan place. It was incredible.
No! No! No!
Well, this one's for all the high achievers needing an on-the-go breakfast. How much sugar is in a bottled Frappuccino and a Cliff protein bar? Ever heard of a sugar rush with a bump of caffeine? Look no further than this absolutely terrible breakfast idea. Crack that bar open. Oh my gosh, don't do this to yourself. Look at what we're doing, America. All right, what's the big tally? Grams of sugar that you do not need. And it's 63 grams of sugar. The more you know.
Oh no! Cringe.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
On the bar, this goes to the strippers and the fucking porn stars and them sexy motherfuckers showing shit on the.
Spend yours first, I know for sure the pussy worth more than an air. Are you stupid? 你是不是傻？你是不是傻？你是不是傻？
It's bad for you. Why? It's addictive. It's actually, in some studies, more addictive than cocaine. It makes you fat. It's pro-inflammatory. It can lower your thoughtfulness or how smart you are, and it delays healing. They actually did a study on rats where they gave rats a head injury, and one group of rats, they gave their typical healthy food and they recovered in like 3 weeks. The other group, they gave the rats their healthy food plus fructose or fruit sugar. 3 weeks later, they were still confused. So isn't it a little crazy? They have Gatorade, sugar water, on the sidelines at football games. So let's give you a head injury and then let's make you dumb 3 weeks later.
No! 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 No!
a cocktail of caffeine, sugar and chemicals.
Many teenagers and parents alike are not aware of the sheer volume of sugar in these containers and the combined toxic combination of caffeine.
The Cancer Council's research on 9,000 students around Australia found 46% of teens who drank highly caffeinated drinks got less than 8 hours sleep on a school night.
A standard cola has around 8 to 10 teaspoons of sugar, and we know that some of these products have more than double than that.
Many energy drinks come in massive 500ml cans containing the caffeine equivalent of up to 2 cups of coffee and up to 21 teaspoons of sugar. That can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart attack and stroke risk, kidney disease, some cancers and tooth decay.
They're highly acidic, which causes the teeth to dissolve, and we have a dry mouth from the caffeine, so people are prone to getting rampant dental decay.
Health groups are now calling on the government to introduce stricter controls on their advertising and sale, especially at entertainment venues, near schools and on public transport. Helen Wellings, 7 News.
What I eat in a day is a disgusting fat person who is very hungover after a birthday. So I did actually have some toast when I first woke up, but then I fell asleep and I had a Mackey's, and then I had a few mouthfuls of this cake, but it wasn't as nice as I thought it was going to be. And then I had a handful of pretzels later on, and then I slept for like 5 or 6 hours. So then when I got back up, we ordered Domino's. I had some of the chicken nuggets and then about half of a vegan pizza. So while I'm here, I just want to say thank you for 2,000 followers, and also to the lads. I'm not looking for your unwanted advice, and I don't give a fuck if you think I'm disgusting. So okay, bye.
Drop, come and get fan too. Gotta grind for my mama, move her like I plan to. Yop, yop, about that's my dance move. Yop, yop.
Here's how McDonald's fries are actually made. The potatoes arrive at the factory already sorted for size and go through a machine wash. They are then sent to be evenly peeled by being put in these rotating machines. The potatoes are cut in seconds by using these razor sharp grates, and then they are sifted to remove the shorter and uneven pieces from the batch. Dextrose, which is a natural sweetener, is then added to give them the famous golden colour when fried. The potatoes are then fried until half cooked, frozen, and finally packaged ready for delivery.
Not bad. Wait, what about me?
So, is salt bad for the heart? You know, it's hard to say. I generally don't like to put a lot of salt in my diet. Why? Salt results in water retention, and that can lead to elevated blood pressure. So in someone who's healthy like me, I can have higher blood pressure than normal. I wouldn't want that, so I avoid the salt. If you have a medical condition known as heart failure, then salt causes water retention that can lead to swelling of the legs, shortness of breath, so you avoid it for that reason. In general, less salt the better.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man,